Hi, my name is Trisha Lagan, and welcome to Lagan's Legacy. So, today I'm going to be painting one of my infamous sunflowers, or flower, whatever you want to call it. They're kind of based off looking like sunflowers, but I use a variety of colors. I saw an image on Google Images, and it was a painting of some flowers, and it was black and white. And I don't know why it popped in my head, but I was asked by the art gallery here in Monroe, Georgia, to make more flowers to put in the gallery. People seem to really like flowers, and I had given them one. It was a 15 by 30 to put in the gallery, and somebody had bought it, and she said that it had done really well. People really liked it. So I decided to go ahead and do a series of flowers, and they'll be in a array of colors. This will be my test to see how well I can get colors to blend, because I'll be doing purple, teal, all kind of colors. But I was really inspired to do a black and white. I don't know why. I had this image in my head after I saw the painting. And you'll see me hold up my tablet if I haven't held it up already. But that was my inspiration. The colors I use were the base coat actually is a mixture of the Bear Marquee. I believe it was Carbon. I can't really remember the name of the paint right now, but it is a black paint by Bear, and it is the Marquee, the blue can, and it is mixed with the Artist Loft Flow acrylics, the black, and that is mixed with Floetrol and water. My colors in the flower, I use the Folk Art number 667 Gunmetal Gray, the metallic. I also used the Craft Smart Bright Silver, that's the multi-surface premium ultra bright metallic paint. And then I used the Amsterdam titanium white. And all of those were actually mixed with Floetrol and water as well. I try to thin these paints out some. They're not on the thick side because it's a swipe. And when you do a swipe, your paint needs to be a thin consistency. So the paper towels that I use, it's nothing special. Most of the time I have Bounty on hand because they're a little bit more sturdier. But I also use the blue shop paper towels that you can get from Lowe's or Home Depot. You might can get it from Walmart. It would be back in the the car section in the back. Those are the paper towels that you'll see me kind of swiping with. So yeah, I really enjoyed making this. It came out beautifully. I really, really like how it came out. I thank you guys for watching. I hope you come back, and I really hope you guys subscribe. It will help me upload some better content as I can get some better equipment to do so. All of these are filmed on my phone. I'm new to YouTube and just starting out making videos. So it would be a great help. I will link my website down below if you guys want to check out some of my work. I have a few pieces that are kind of on sale right now. And yeah, I hope you guys have a great day, and thanks for stopping by. Okay, so this is the finished product, guys. This is what it looks like wet, and this is what it looks like dry. If you wish to learn how to make these frames that I make for my canvases, I will list the video in the description box below. Please check it out. It's very informative. I'm glad you watched my tutorial, and I'll see you guys next time.